Rum Diaries with the people them. Ermin's hair looks off the chain. You see that? Okay, so come. Carrie. What's that? Carrie. Oh. You know Carrie broke her leg, her what?
Are you serious?
Yeah, she hurt herself. Yeah. So here we just get our food. So you're gonna see my food. Southern fried chicken with waffles.
Just have it over here.
Birthday girls. These are birthday girls.
Now we eat the birthday.
March, yeah. March Madness. No, you're not on the camera, don't worry. People are afraid of the camera, you know. The crazy friend. See the cake? Okay, now we got the lighting. Let me take that's perfect lighting. Let me take a picture. Yeah, man, I like that. Nice. I'm here enjoying my birthday dinner with my fellow March babies, Ermin and Jillian. I don't know where Jillian is. I do not know. Ermin is right there in the burgundy with the funky hair. And Jillian, front of the side. Yes, we're here at Rum Diaries. Food is great, drinks are great, atmosphere is great, people are fun. Older crowd, no little picnic. Praise the Lord, there's no little picnic here. My lighting crew. Oh, this is wonderful. I love this lighting. I need to hire you guys. All right, no, they don't need to see how that is. All right, anyways, we're going to get to the dancing just now. Drive home. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, driving home, back from Rum Diaries. It is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I'm wide awake on my way back home on my birthday. Can't find a want to ride with home. Had a great time tonight hanging with my friends, dancing up and enjoying the vibes and the music. Rum Diaries, awesome places. If you haven't been, make sure you go. Rum Diaries in Ajax, Ontario, on Bailey Street.